If you're a man over 60 and you've been feeling more tired than usual, like something inside you is quietly slipping away, your strength, your drive, maybe even your sense of self, then I want you to lean in. Because this isn't just about aging. And it's definitely not just in your head. I'm Dr. Sarah, and over the last 30 years, I've helped thousands of men just like you, men who were strong, capable, proud but suddenly start to feel like they're slowing down in ways they didn't expect. And many of them, at first, thought the same thing, maybe this is just what happens now. But that's not the full story. Here's the truth. After 60, your body doesn't stop working, it just works differently. Your hormone levels shift, your nutrient absorption slows down, and your recovery, physically and emotionally, takes longer. And unless you're giving your body the specific support it needs during this new chapter, things like energy, intimacy, and confidence start to fade. Not because you're old, but because you're out of sync with what your body now needs. Let me tell you about one of my patients, David, 63. A retired police officer. Tough, proud, but when he sat in my office, he looked tired in a way that went deeper than physical. He told me, I can't get up in the morning the way I used to. I don't feel like I'm really there, even when I'm with my wife. That kind of exhaustion, the kind that touches your mind, your body, and your relationships, isn't just from a lack of sleep. It's often a mix of low testosterone, poor nutrient levels, and inflammation slowly draining your reserves. We ran a few tests, but honestly, it wasn't even the lab numbers that told me what was going on. It was the look in his eyes. A man who used to run into danger, now feeling like he couldn't run across the room without needing a nap. So we started small. I adjusted his vitamin D and zinc intake, had him walk 20 minutes each morning, and asked him to cut back on the processed carbs he was using to keep going. Within a few weeks, David came back in with something different in his posture. He wasn't just standing straighter, he was more present. He told me he was waking up with energy again. He and his wife had started going out on Friday nights, something they hadn't done in over a year. You see, this work isn't about turning back the clock, it's about giving your body what it's quietly been asking for, targeted, natural support to help it rise to this next season of your life. And let's talk about intimacy. I know many men struggle to bring this up. They assume lower libido, weaker performance, or emotional disconnect is just what happens. But again, this isn't always true. And it's not something you have to accept. Another patient, Michael, 70, sat in my office with tears in his eyes. He said, I don't feel like a man anymore. That broke my heart. Because this wasn't just physical. It was emotional, spiritual. He'd lost his sense of purpose, and that loss had seeped into his relationships. Michael didn't need a miracle drug. He needed restoration. We focused on rebuilding his testosterone naturally through strength-building movement, zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and lean beef, and yes, helping him reconnect emotionally before physically. Within 2 months, he walked in with a grin on his face and told me, I feel like I'm coming back. That's the shift I want for you. And it starts with understanding that your body isn't fighting you, it's asking for your attention. And when you give it the right tools, the results can be extraordinary. So let's talk about some of those tools in part 2. I want to give you a few specific, practical steps you can take starting today to support your body, rebuild your intimacy, and rediscover your confidence. The first thing I recommend, whether you're struggling with low energy, brain fog, or intimacy, is to look at your vitamin D levels. This isn't just about bones or sunlight. Vitamin D is critical for testosterone production, immune strength, and even your mood. Most men over 60 are deficient, and they don't even know it. Just 15 to 20 minutes of direct sun daily can help, but many need a high-quality D3 supplement, ideally paired with K2 to help your body actually use it. Next is zinc. This trace mineral is tiny but mighty. Zinc supports libido, sperm quality, immune defense, and even prostate health. You'll find it in foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, cashews, chickpeas, and beef. But here's something most men don't realize: alcohol, stress, and processed foods all deplete your zinc. So just eating a little better won't help unless you're also cutting the habits that are draining you. Third, and this is a big one, cut the sugar. I'm not saying give up everything sweet. But processed sugars, sugary drinks, pastries, they're silently destroying your energy, wrecking your hormone balance, and leading to insulin resistance, which also affects libido. Try switching to whole fruits when you want something sweet. Add cinnamon to your coffee or yogurt. It's a small change, but your body feels the difference almost immediately. Now let's talk about movement, not exercise, not punishment, just movement. Your body isn't asking you to lift weights like a 20-year-old. It just needs circulation. Blood flow. Oxygen. That's how hormones move through your system. Try walking for 15 to 30 minutes daily. Or do gentle resistance exercises using your own body weight. The goal isn't to get shredded, it's to stay functional, balanced, and alive in your body. And finally, let's talk about something most doctors skip: emotional connection. The quality of your relationships, especially your romantic ones, directly affects your health. I've seen men in their 70s completely turn their health around just by reconnecting emotionally with their partner. If intimacy has changed, that's okay. But don't give up on it. Talk. Touch. Laugh. You don't need to perform, you need to be present. That connection, even in small doses, can reignite something in you that pills never will. You're not weak for wanting more. You're not broken if your body needs new kinds of care. And you're not too late, not by a long shot. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s completely transform the way they feel just by making small, intentional changes. No shame. No guilt. Just respect for their bodies and a commitment to live with strength, connection, and purpose. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one thing from today's video and start there. Maybe it's adding a vitamin D supplement. Maybe it's walking after dinner. Maybe it's talking to your partner, really talking. Whatever you choose, take one small step toward the version of yourself you want to be. And if